How does a golf course look like?
Hello, golfers! Today, I'm going to talk about how the golf course looks like. If you haven't played on the course yet, it is not easy to see what are on the actual golf course. I'm going to play with my daughter and I will explain what we saw on the golf course. Let's go!
At 9 a.m., my dad and I arrived at the parking lot of the golf course. Outside service person came to us and took our golf bags and put them up on our golf cart. We went to the clubhouse to check in at the golf shop. Our tee time was 10 a.m. At 9:10, we rode the cart with our golf bags and drove up to the driving range for warm-up. I could bring my push cart, but today I chose to ride on the cart with my dad. For about 45 minutes, we practiced our full swing, pitching, chipping, bunker shot, and putting. 9:57, we were ready to start. Before we start, we met the starter. He had us play with another group of 2 people. And then he told us about the course condition, where the restrooms are, which holes are cars path only, and so on. We started from hole number 1 tee box. We introduced ourselves to the people who played with us, John and Julie, and we shook hands to each other. John and my dad were better players, so they played from the blue tee box. Julie played from the red tee box, and I played from the orange tee box, which was for juniors.
From here, what are the tee boxes? Tee box is the area where players make tee shots. It depends on the course how many tee boxes it has. Some golf courses have 5 different tee boxes, while some have 3, 4, or 6. There are different tee boxes depending on the player's skill level. Usually, the blue tee box is for better players, and the white tee box is for regular amateur players. The red tee box is for lady players, silver tee box for elder players, and orange tee box for juniors. For juniors, we can modify the course length on their driver carry distance. If juniors carry 100 yards with the driver, they can play 3,000 to 3,300 yards for 18 holes. If they carry 150 yards with a driver, they can play 4,200 to 4,500 yards for 18 holes. If juniors carry 200 yards with a driver, they can play 5,400 to 5,700 yards for 18 holes. If they carry 250 yards with a driver, they can play 6,600 to 6,900 yards for 18 holes.
We made tee shots from each tee box. John's ball went to the right side rough. My dad's ball went to the fairway bunker. Julie's ball went to the left side rough, and my ball went to the middle of the fairway. Hooray!
From here, what are the fairway, fairway bunker, and rough? Fairway is the closely mown area between the tee box and the putting green. Fairway bunker is the sand bunker that is right by the fairway. Rough is outside of fairways where the grass is taller and thicker.
Next, we all made a second shot. John's ball went to the green side bunker. My dad's ball went to the left rough by the green. Julie's ball went on the green, and my ball stopped on the fringe.
From here, what are the putting green, the fringe, and green side bunker? Putting green is the area where the hole is, and we make putts. Fringe is the area between the fairway and putting green. It has little longer grass than putting green. Green side bunker is the sand bunker that is right by the putting green.
John made the ball out of the bunker and one more putt. My dad made the ball out of the rough and two more putts. Julie made one putt on the putting green and I made 4 putts from the fringe. I need to practice my putting skills. We moved to the next hole. We made tee shots again. John's ball went right over to the lateral water hazard, red stakes with red lines. My dad's ball went on the fairway but fell into the ground under repair. Julie's ball went to the water hazard, yellow stakes with yellow lines. My ball left over the out-of-bounds white stakes with white lines. Oh no.
From here, what are the lateral water hazards, out of bounds, and ground under repair? A lateral water hazard is one of the penalty areas. It is marked with red stakes and red lines. A water hazard is also one of the penalty areas. They mark with yellow stakes and yellow lines. Out of bounds is marked with white stakes and white lines. The ground under repair is an area the golf course think not good for play.
Since my ball was out of bounds, I had to hit another shot from the tee box for my third shot. John played by that red line where his ball went over with 1 stroke penalty, and my dad picked up his ball and dropped the ball outside of ground under repair without penalty. Julie played from the drop zone with 1 stroke penalty. We kept playing and had fun on the course.
Okay, how was playing on the course with us? Playing on the course is sometimes very tough, but we can enjoy our family time with lots of fun. Thank you for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, please email or text me with your name. And don't forget to watch. Do you know how to score? Play golf and have fun today!